Hello, welcome back to my Vision Pro experiment. So currently I have a couple of instrumental app running. Audio kit set to this DB everything you do. There's a lot of instrument here, synth instrument, and we have Piano Modoki and KQ. This one set to timbali, this one set to marimba. What's funny inside Apple Vision Pro that's probably not so obvious if you are using Mac OS, I think, or the iPad. Let's say I turn on this output port for virtual MIDI. So they are all like MIDI instruments, right? So this one can actually send message to every other app if I turn on the output port. So if I turn that off, this will be just like a single instrument. Now I know the fact that if we use the Koala app and if we turn on this MIDI out, this can send to everybody, which is unusual. I mean, see, KQ, Dixie, Audio Kit, Piano Modoki. This is actually quite common if you're digital musician. I think using Mac OS. Not so obvious on iPad at first, but I think after you use it for a while, iPad actually can do this as well, but on the Vision Pro it's just slightly more obvious, kind of. Let's say I choose Audio Kit Synth One for that guy. So Koala app controlling Audio Kit, right? The Koala app itself, if we turn this on, so I have keyboard here, mini keyboard. And I can control that guy. So I can record. So that's the control that I want to show you today. So I will copy that guy and change this to KQ Dixie. It's controlling that guy. And if I play this back, so I like, yeah, Koala app is the controller for everything else. So I like, yeah, controlling it this way. Like if you're actually using the iPad, you can have multiple touch. On the Vision Pro, you can only use these fingers, or we can use this keyboard that's kind of invisible at the moment. But with the keyboard, you can have polyphonics. You can have chord. Okay, so that's the plan. Let's add one more. This guy controlling only Piano Modoki. This guy. Save. So that sounds a little bit like angklung or marimba. So now we can do some improvisations with this. I'll just save it. Combination. app. I don't know, it's this setup. It takes a while to set it up. I wish it could be just more automatic. I mean, but you can always save it, and then if you have all these apps open up and then Koala Sampler app, it will just work. So it's only playing one MIDI, but we know it's working. So now we can just I can change the audio here. So you can create improvisations, whatever you like. And you can go up and down in octave. I'm gonna choose this sequence and try to fill it. Maybe I don't need to record, I can just play it. So my keyboard is, this is not like a full MIDI keyboard, I only have 10. but I could potentially turn it into some kind of jazz performance or orchestra, right? I need to work on my chords and melody and the beats, but yeah, that's basically the idea. The koala control everything. We are while I'm recording here, of course, screen recording. Still recording, right? Yeah, still recording. And if I'm not wrong, I can actually, yeah, jump into this and control the placement of this beat, whatever you call it. But I like to just doing it here. Undo that. If I like this beat, I could just double up and double up.